Usually, power and authority are attached with masculinity. We say that only masculine, only males, they are powerful, and if they are powerful, they have authority. Power and femininity, power and women is taken as something unnatural. Society usually doesn't want to see them in one person, that the person is woman and at the same time has authority. This is unnatural. But there are 4 archetypes of woman and power. We should read it as, but there are 4 archetypes. Archetype means perfect example of something, of woman in power. Number 1, these are the typical examples, perfect examples, where we see that a person is a woman and has authority. Number 1, mother. You all know that mothers have authority, and their authority lies in caring and self-sacrificing role. This is the source of their authority. This is the rational justification of their authority. They self-sacrifice, they bear different problems for our rearing, for our bringing up. So, in response to that, they deserve to have authority over us. Second role is seducer. Power of sexual appeal. It gives power to woman. The third role is pet. Power lies in men's compulsion to protect women. As we take care of our pets, we love them, and we take care of their food, clothing, everything. So, this is man's responsibility to protect a woman. So, in this role, woman enjoys a power over man. Man is forced to do this. And number 4, Iron Maiden. Maiden means woman. Iron ladies. Direct use of power like man. The title, the label of this role itself shows that. We are talking about sheer power of a woman when she directly uses her authority. And there is no need for justifying it. Though there are some things that we will discuss later. But here, in this context, she just enjoys power. These are roles, and they allow women to exercise power. But the source of power is gender roles, not the woman as individual. Now, this is the thing that needs your attention. You have seen she is mother, she is seducer, she is pet, she is Iron Maiden, and all are female roles, gender roles. We are not ready to give authority to woman, power to woman, for being an individual, for being a human being like males. We give this authority because of these female roles. However, researchers think that These archetypes are like metaphors. This is what we should take them as. We should take them as metaphors. इस्तारा जिसको आप कहते हैं. Women can adopt these roles, these 4 roles, in business, in politics, in offices, for use of their authority and power. They are not confined to home only. These roles can be extended to outside home. Women can perform all these roles in their business, in their office, etc. We have already discussed a case of woman authority at home and office. If you remember, in some previous discussion, we discussed about it. They can be mothers at home, but iron maidens at work. They have authority both at home and office, but the nature of authority is different. When they are at home and there is a family, children, daughters and sons, so she has power over them as mother. This is one of the 4 roles. But when they are at work in office and they are working as the head of that office, so then they have to show authority, but there they exercise another kind of authority that is given to them because of their position and post. They can be mothers both at home and work. This is another variation. This is also possible that they remain mothers at both places. Mothers here means that they behave like mothers at both places. See some examples of issuing directions by a female manager. And you will see that this female manager is behaving like mother even in office. She is directing her colleagues and subordinates. She is issuing orders, but see the manner of ordering. She says, perhaps you could bring me that file now. Instead of saying, bring that file now, she says, perhaps you could bring that file now. I think it needs revision. I think it needs revising, don't you? Now see, the use of tag question, we have already discussed it, that this is a very polite manner. And when you say, don't you, so it means you in fact are reminding the other person that you should do this. And this is a very polite manner of asking for some work. So this is not direct order, and other person doesn't feel insulted or being imposed upon. So we conclude that women have power because of their gender roles, but professional roles are also source of female power. Women can opt any role according to the context and getting things done. They can adopt the role of mother, they can adopt the role of iron maiden. It depends in which context they are functioning, they are at home or at office, because they have to get things done, they have to achieve the targets, the objectives successfully.